Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about something a little bit different. Today I received a box from Garvee. It is a bar stand and light, and we're going to break into it and show you what this thing is all about. Hey guys, this is Brad Nick. I'm with Tasting Tequila with Brad, and I'm really excited because I wanted to change up my bar a little bit. And I was lucky enough to receive this bar stand and light from Garvee. So we're going to break it out of the box. It arrived with the box pretty beaten up. FedEx did a great job getting it here on time, but looks like they kind of bounced it around a little bit. So I was kind of concerned of what it was going to look like inside when I pulled it out. It comes with a little box of accessories. We're going to go through that in a second. And you'll see that they really packed this thing in the box great. It was all foamed in there. It was covered with the bag, and it was raised up so it didn't have any damage to it. So the first step, of course, is getting it out of this box. And it was a little bit heavy to do, so I wanted to cut the ends of the box off. So I could pull it out. And you've seen how I pulled the foam square off of that side. So that was holding up each side. So the foam was surrounding the box. So no matter how hard they beat this thing up, it was in there pretty good and pretty safe. Those 4 binders of foam protected it against FedEx's madness. And as you can see, once I got the plastic off of it, it is in perfect condition. So it really shows you how sturdy this thing really is. Now, let's get it installed. Now, one thing, you look behind me right now, my bar area is pretty clear, but that place is usually packed. The bottles are tossed in there and it looks like this. And as you can see, it's hard to see the bottles. It's hard to get the bottles out, and it really wastes a lot of space. So this is really going to help. Okay, let's dive into this little box of accessories. It's not a lot, really. It's just a plug-in. And on the back of it, I'll show you where the plug-in is. And then, of course, it does have a remote control because it's got a lot of lights. It has a lot of features. It's got a little thing here that shows you other products that they have, how to set it up. Looks like I can set it up to my phone. And also the lights will play to music. All right, let's take a look at the bar light. As you can see, this puppy is pretty big. In fact, it is 40 inches long. It sits just 11 inches tall. And if you go all the way to the back, it's 12 inches deep. So it gives you a great ability to put a set of bottles in front and then 3 bottles up onto the risers. Now, let's check out the lights. Okay, now, as you see, I had to turn off the backlights because the remote control messed with those as well. So on this, you can see all kinds of different colors. It also has where the lights will actually flash and run all over the top and change colors. So lots of different features you can do with the lights, which is pretty cool. And then it does have a feature where it'll work to your voice or to the music that you have playing at your bar. All right, well, let's get this thing into place and let's get some bottles on it and see what it looks like. So I'm back. As you can see, the bar is now all set up again and ready to go. And I'm really excited. As you'll see in the video here, it fit perfectly in the space that I was trying to fit it. And it actually made a lot more room for bottles than what I had before. So once it was all put together, you can actually see there the Garvee bar light is fantastic. It has a lot of space and it's pretty cool. When you turn out the lights, you can watch the bottles light up and you can still see them even when the lights are on, and you can put them in several different modes and it makes for a great looking bar. So if you're looking for something to make your bar a little bit cooler, check over to the Garvee website. I put a link in the description. There's also a code in the description to get 10% off if you order yours today. So if you're looking to make more space, have some brighter lights on the bar, really flash up your bar to make your home bar look more like a professional bar, the Garvee bar light is completely perfect for you. Thanks for tuning in. If you like watching videos about tequila and learning about tequila, hit that like and subscribe button. And again, don't forget to head over to the Garvee website and check out your next bar light. Thanks for watching.